Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to crochet this beautiful and easy motif step by step. Let's get started. To crochet the motif, I am using medium weight yarn and a 3.5mm hook. I will also use a large eye needle and scissors. I take the yarn in my hand and begin crocheting the motif with a magic ring. First, I make the magic ring. Then I chain 3. And crochet 2 double crochets into the ring. Next, I chain 2 and crochet 3 double crochets in the same way. Again, I chain 2 and crochet 3 double crochets. At the end of the round, I tighten the magic ring. Finally, I chain 2 and join with a slip stitch into the third chain of the initial chain 3. I move to the next space with a slip stitch. Passing through the other stitches with slip stitches, I reach the space. Here, I chain 3 again. And crochet 2 double crochets. I chain 2 and crochet 3 double crochets into the same space. In this way, our first corner is formed. I chain 2 in between and crochet 3 double crochets into the next space. Again, I chain 2 and crochet 3 double crochets into the same space, completing the second corner. I continue in this way until the end of the round. At the end of the round, I chain 2 again. And join with a slip stitch into the third chain of the initial chain 3. Then I move into the next space with slip stitches. Again I chain 3 and crochet 2 double crochets. I chain 2 and crochet 3 double crochets into the same space. This becomes our first corner. I chain 2 in between and crochet 3 double crochets into the next spaces. Chain 2 at the corners. I crochet 3 double crochets. Chain 2 and 3 double crochets again. I continue this pattern until the end of the round. I complete the third round in the same way. At the end of the round, I chain 2 again and join with a slip stitch into the top of the initial chain 3. Again, I move towards the corner with slip stitches. I chain 3 and crochet 2 double crochets into the corner space. I chain 2 and crochet 3 double crochets into the same space again. Chain 2. In the spaces between, I crochet 3 double crochets, and at the corners I crochet 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets again, continuing until the end of the round. At the end of the round, I chain 2 and join with a slip stitch into the third chain of the initial chain 3. I chain 1, cut the yarn and secure it. needle, I weave in the remaining yarn ends from the back side. First I hide the magic ringtail, then I hide the other yarn in the same way. Finally, I cut the remaining short ends. My motif is ready. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.